Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 BMW 325i. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Experience the exhilaration that comes from driving the iconic 3 Series sedan. With its superb handling, balance, agility, and power at your command, you'll feel every thrill the road has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Seize the opportunity to be part of a motorsport legend. Drive the 3 Series sedan.